Hello, welcome back to Journey Life. Today we are going to talk about one of the famous cities in the world, Edinburgh, the capital city of Scotland, a place where history and modernity seamlessly blend, creating a unique and enchanting atmosphere. In this video, we'll take a journey through the rich history and distinctive features that make Edinburgh a truly special destination. Edinburgh is the capital of Scotland, and it is located in central eastern Scotland, near the Firth of Forth, close to the North Sea. Thanks to its spectacular rocks, rustic buildings, and a huge collection of medieval and classic architecture, including numerous stone decorations, it is often considered one of the most lively cities in Europe. Scottish people called it Auld Reekie, Edina, Athens of the North and Britain's other eye. Edinburgh is not only one of the most beautiful cities in Europe, it is a city with a fantastic position. The view falls on all sides: green hills, the hint of the blue sea, the silhouettes of the buildings, and the red cliffs. It is a city that calls you to explore it by foot. Narrow streets, passageways, stairs, and hidden churchyards on every step will pull you away from the main streets. The city is one of the most popular tourist destinations in the UK. It is the capital of Scotland and home to many tourist attractions. The city has a population of nearly 500,000 people. A visit here will be well worth it, considering the numerous things you can do and see. Most of the structures in the old town have remained in their original form over the years. Charming medieval relics are plenty in this section of the city. In contrast, orderly Georgian terraces line the streets of the new town. The general urban scenery is a blend of ancient structures and modern architecture, which gives the city a unique character. In 1995, the Old Town was listed as a UNESCO Heritage Site. With year-round festivals, a throbbing nightlife, and an entertaining arts scene, Edinburgh never falls short of interesting travel ventures for tourists. Edinburgh is a city of literature. It was the first city to be called the UNESCO City of Literature. You can visit the National Library of Scotland, the Museum of Writers, the Scottish Centre of Storytelling, the Library of Poetry, and many other libraries. The list of famous Scottish authors is very long. Just choose your favorite one and enjoy researching everything linked to that person, such as Arthur Conan Doyle, J.K. Rowling, Robert Ferguson. No matter how you get to Edinburgh, by train, bus, or cab from the airport, Edinburgh Castle is a must-see destination. You don't need to be a good strategist to know why the castle is located at that spot. The volcanic hill with the sharp cliffs that have been cut by glaciers is the main reason Edinburgh is located here. From this spot, it is very easy to defend Edinburgh from an attack from all directions. Edinburgh Castle has changed its owners many times. It was captured by the English and Scottish. When you arrive, you must visit St. Margaret's Chapel, the oldest part in the castle's complex, and it is likely the oldest building that can be found in Edinburgh. It was built presumably around 1130, in the honor of Queen Margaret, who lived in the 11th century, and also boasts two beautiful rustic chandeliers that date respectively from 1695 and 1735. Edinburgh Castle is one of the attractions that you simply must see. It is the most visited tourist attraction in Scotland. The Edinburgh International Festival is more than a festival. It is an international festival that offers you various artist performances, classical music, opera, ballet, drama. The Summer Edinburgh Festival traditionally is held during 3 weeks in August every year, and Edinburgh attracts visitors from all around the world. You can also plan a visit during the Fringe Festival, where you will see comedy performances, drama, and artists. You can also visit the Book Festival, Jazz Festival, and TV Festival, as well as others. Yes, Scottish folks love a good festival. When in Edinburgh, there are several iconic dishes you must try to get a taste of Scottish cuisine. Here are some of the most famous foods you should consider. Haggis, a traditional Scottish dish. Haggis is made from minced sheep's offal, heart, liver, and lungs, mixed with oatmeal, suet, onions, and spices. It's usually encased in a sheep's stomach and served with neeps, turnips, and and tatties, mashed potatoes. Neeps and tatties. Often served alongside haggis, neeps and tatties are mashed turnips and potatoes, respectively. They complement the flavors of haggis and are a staple in Scottish cuisine. Scotch pie. A popular Scottish snack or light meal, Scotch pies are small, double-crust pies filled with seasoned minced meat, usually beef. They are commonly enjoyed at breakfast or as a quick snack. Best time to visit Edinburgh is appealing all year round. But if you are not a fan of the cold and rain, we recommend visiting the city in summer. If you've already decided to go during the coldest months, don't worry. All you need to make the trip enjoyable is a good coat, waterproof shoes, and an umbrella. All 4 seasons in one day, although the proximity of Edinburgh to the sea lessens any extreme climates. Locals tend to say that you can experience the 4 seasons during the same day. It can begin gloomy with rain and fog, then suddenly the sun comes out and it gets hot, and then in a matter of minutes it can cloud over and start to rain again. Let's take a look 7 interesting informations about Edinburgh. The Edinburgh Fringe Festival is the largest arts festival in the world. There will be over 3,000 shows are staged with a total of 50,000 performances across 300 venues. The population of Edinburgh doubles in size during Fringe, with people traveling from far and wide just to experience it. The world's one and only knighted penguin lives at Edinburgh Zoo, and his name is Sir Nils Olaf. The king penguin's role includes inspecting the Norwegian Guard on their visits to the Scottish capital, and since his knighthood in 2008, he's since been promoted in the ranks to brigadier. Edinburgh is the greenest city in the UK, with 112 parks and 750,000 trees. At 1 o'clock every day, a gun is shot from Edinburgh Castle. Alexander Graham Bell, who invented the telephone, was born in Edinburgh. Sir Arthur Conan Doyle, who wrote the Sherlock Holmes stories, is from Edinburgh. Sean Connery, who acted as James Bond in films, is also from Edinburgh. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the heart of Scotland, exploring the historic and enchanting city of Edinburgh. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe for more adventures and explorations. Drop a comment below and let us know your favorite part of Edinburgh, or if there's a place you'd like us to make in our future videos. Don't forget to hit the like button. See you next videos.